Hello, folks. Today we are going to find the relationship between kinetic energy and momentum. So we have to prove that kinetic energy is equal to p squared upon 2m. This is the thing we have to prove today. P is actually momentum. This is actually being asked in the exam for A levels. Now we know that kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv squared. And we have a denominator 2m over here. So it means we have no mass in the denominator. So I have to make this equation having a mass in the denominator. So we have half mv squared. I am going to multiply and divide the equation with mass in order to get the mass in the denominator. So the denominator would become 2m and the upper one, like numerator, would become mv squared. We know like momentum is equal to what? It's mv. That is why we are going to make it mv squared upon 2. Now the whole thing in the numerator would become p squared, and with the denominator we have 2m. This is how we can easily solve this equation. Thanks for listening. Like, subscribe, and share.